In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a campaign in Aweber. Duplicating a campaign is a great way to save time, keep your branding consistent, and reuse a sequence that already works. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar or your favorite search engine, type Aweber. When the results load, look for the official Aweber website. It should clearly show the aweber.com domain and a secure lock icon in the address bar. Clicking the correct link ensures you're on the legitimate site and helps you avoid any lookalikes or ads that might lead elsewhere. Once you're on the Aweber homepage, head to the Sign In option, typically in the upper right corner. Click it and sign in as you normally do. If your browser is set to remember credentials, this should be quick. If not, just proceed securely. After you're signed in, you'll land in your Aweber account where you can access all your email marketing tools. From your account, navigate to Automation. This is where Aweber groups tools that handle sequences and behaviors. Inside Automation, click Workflows. Workflows are the backbone of your automated emails. Things like welcome sequences, onboarding series, or promotions triggered by tags or actions. Opening Workflows brings up your list of existing automations. Find the workflow you want to duplicate. Choosing the right one up front reduces cleanup later, so consider the audience, timing, and content that already performs well. When you've located it, look to the right side of that campaign's name. You'll see a three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options or Kebab menu. If you don't see it immediately, hover your mouse over the row to reveal it, or make sure your window is wide enough to show all controls. Click that three-dot icon to open the Options menu, then select Copy. Aweber will create a duplicate of the selected workflow, keeping the structure and settings from the original. You'll typically see the new version appear in the same list, often labeled as a copy so it's easy to spot. This duplicate is perfect for running A/B variations, seasonal tweaks, or segment-specific messaging, all without rebuilding from scratch. And that's it. You opened your browser and found Aweber, clicked the correct link, signed in, went to Automation, and then Workflows, selected the workflow you wanted, opened the three-dot menu, and chose Copy. With this simple process, you can scale your email marketing faster while preserving what already works. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.